Why people don't say goodbye. The psychology behind the sneaky exit. It's called the Irish goodbye. Slipping out of a party without saying goodbye to anyone. And why do people do that? Okay, I'm going to give you 4 reasons why they do it and 4 ways for you to avoid people sneaking out of your business event or your parties without the polite goodbye. Why do people do it? Number one, it's for avoiding awkwardness. You know, goodbyes can feel really clunky, a bit forced, especially when you're tired or you've had enough. Number two is the fear of guilt. Okay, so they feel saying bye often means, oh, don't go. That makes people feel more obliged to stay behind and stay in the party or the business event. Number three, social overload. You know, after hours of small talk and all that smiling and bullshit, the brain just checks out and it just wants some peace. So they slip out the back door. And number four is to protect their ego. So deep down, some people think they won't be that missed. Or they fear rejection if the goodbye doesn't actually land very warmly. The same thing happens in business. You know, clients vanish, team members quit without warning, partners go cold, no proper goodbye, no closure, just radio silence. The problem with these disappearing acts is it erodes the trust and it creates unfinished energy, like a door left half open. It's an unclosed loop, and one of the most important things in business or life is you close the loops. So how do we promote a proper goodbye? Number one, create a closure culture. Build it into the norm. We always close the loop. Whether it's a deal or a project or a partnership, we wrap it up properly, not just leave it hanging. Number two, make space for the exit. People don't say goodbye when they feel it's a big deal. Make the off-ramp obvious and easy. Think, hey, if you ever feel it's not working, just let us know. No big deal, no hard feelings. Number three, celebrate departures. So whether someone's leaving the team or ending a project, mark it. Send them off with dignity, not with silence. Number four, model it, okay? As a leader, your job is to set the tone. If you ghost others, others will ghost you and show up in the business exactly the same. Show what a clean goodbye looks like. And the final thought for all of this is ghosting might feel easier in the moment, but proper goodbyes build reputation, respect, and long-term trust. So next time in life or business, say the bloody goodbye. If you like this, please follow and leave a comment. Even if you think it's crap, tell me why you think it's crap and see how I can improve it. Come on, do it now. And if you like this video and found it useful, watch my next video just here and subscribe just here. Come on, do it now.